Hello, welcome to 1 Minute With, and I'm at Prestatyn Beach. Hello.
Hi.
Introduce yourself, tell me what you're doing on this production.
Okay, hi, my name is Rhiannon Cousins and I am one of the 3 creatives on the beach.
Okay, tell us about what you're doing on the beach and how you describe what you do in general.
Okay, what I'm doing on the beach is, well, what I'm leading on is the games section, so I'm helping create the games and make sure they work and that they're going to be great fun for everybody to play. Generally I work as a writer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and how did you get into writing? And tell us if you've got any advice for people out there who are looking to get into game design or writing.
Okay, I started writing professionally after winning the SLC 20th anniversary script writing competition many years ago. And since then I've just written for a few people. I think the best way to get into writing is to just write. You know, send your stuff off, read other people's work, get a good idea of what you like and what you want to write, that kind of thing.
Okay, thanks for your time, Rhiannon. I'll see you at the beach soon.
I'm going paddling.
In Prestatyn.